Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into the Rosewill Induction Cooker, model RHAI-13001. If you're looking for a faster, more efficient, and potentially safer way to cook, an induction cooktop might be on your radar, and this Rosewill model offers a lot to consider. Let's start with the core functionality. This is an 1800-watt portable induction cooktop. What does that mean for you? It means it heats up incredibly fast. The product description mentions it heats up in a second, and while that might be a slight exaggeration in the real world, the speed is genuinely impressive compared to traditional electric or even gas stovetops. The induction technology works by creating a magnetic field that directly heats your cookware, rather than heating the burner itself and then transferring that heat. This is key to its efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, Rosewill claims this induction cooker saves approximately 20% of heat or energy compared to normal heating methods. This is a significant figure and makes a lot of sense given how induction works. Less wasted heat escaping into the surrounding air means more energy going directly into your food. Over time, this can translate into noticeable savings on your electricity bill, especially if you do a lot of cooking. One of the most versatile aspects of this cooktop is its wide range of power and temperature settings. You have 8 preset power levels, starting from a low 300 watts and going all the way up to the full 1800 watts. This allows for very precise control, whether you need a gentle simmer or a rapid boil. Complementing the power settings are 8 temperature levels, ranging from 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This broad range makes the cooktop suitable for a surprising variety of cooking methods, including frying, searing, braising, stewing, steaming, boiling, making soup, and even slow cooking. The inclusion of a 3-hour timer also adds to its convenience, letting you set it and forget it for certain dishes. Rosewill has also included a 3.5-quart stainless steel pot with a glass lid. This is a nice bonus that allows you to start cooking right out of the box, provided your cookware is induction compatible. The product description clearly states that if a magnet sticks to your cookware, it's likely compatible with induction. Beyond the included pot, the cooking base itself can accommodate various other types of pots, such as saucepans, frying pans, and casseroles, as long as they have a diameter of up to 10 inches. This flexibility is a big plus. The design of the Rosewill induction cooker is also worth noting. It features a premium, durable, high-glossy, anti-scratch ceramic glass panel. This not only looks sleek and modern on your countertop but also promises longevity and easy maintenance. Cleaning is typically a breeze with these smooth surfaces. Ease of use is another strong point. The intuitive touch control panel with an LED display is straightforward to operate. You can easily select your desired power or temperature settings, and the display provides clear feedback. As mentioned, cleaning is also simplified due to the smooth glass surface, making post-cooking cleanup much less of a chore. Safety is always a paramount concern in the kitchen, and Rosewill seems to have addressed this with over 7 built-in safety features. While the specific features aren't detailed, the mention of a lock function and a magnet-compatible sticker suggests thoughtful design. The lock function is particularly useful to prevent accidental changes to settings, especially if you have children or pets around. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the 1,800 watts of power deliver rapid heating, the energy efficiency is a significant advantage, and the extensive range of power and temperature settings offers great cooking versatility. The included pot and the compatibility with various cookware sizes are also strong selling points. The premium design and easy-to-clean surface add to the overall appeal. However, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. Firstly, while it's portable, it still requires a dedicated 120-volt power outlet, so ensure you have one available where you plan to use it. Secondly, as with any induction cooktop, you are limited to using magnetic cookware. If your existing pots and pans aren't compatible, you'll need to invest in new ones. Finally, while the ceramic glass is advertised as scratch-resistant, it's still glass, so care should be taken to avoid dragging heavy or abrasive cookware across the surface. In conclusion, the Rosewill RHAI-13001 induction cooker is a powerful, efficient, and versatile kitchen appliance. It's an excellent option for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking experience, whether for a small kitchen, an RV, or simply to have a fast and reliable secondary cooking surface. The combination of speed, energy savings, precise control, and thoughtful design makes it a compelling choice in the portable induction cooktop market. Link in the description.